Burdock, scientifically known as Arctium lappa, is a robust biennial plant revered in both culinary and medicinal fields. Known for its deep roots in traditional medicine, especially in Chinese and Native American cultures, burdock is celebrated for its vast array of health benefits ranging from liver detoxification to skin health. Growth and habitat burdock thrives in a variety of environments, but is commonly found in the temperate regions of the world, including North America, Europe, and Asia. It prefers disturbed areas, often seen along roadsides, vacant lots, and field margins. This plant is hardy, growing well in a nutrient-rich, well-drained soil with partial to full sun exposure. Identification. The plant features large, broad leaves and a tall stalk that can grow up to 6 feet. Its most distinctive features are the globular flowers that turn into burrs during the maturation process. These burrs are famously known for sticking to animal fur and human clothing, aiding in seed dispersal. The roots, which are the primary medicinal part, are dark on the outside and white inside. Edible uses and parts. Every part of the burdock plant is edible. The young tender leaves can be consumed in salads or boiled as greens. The stalks, peeled and eaten before the flowers mature, resemble artichoke in taste. However, the most commonly consumed part is the root, which can be eaten raw, stewed, or stir-fried. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. The roots, seeds, and even the leaves of burdock are used medicinally. The roots are particularly noted for their potent detoxifying properties. Here are some of the primary medicinal uses of burdock. Detoxifying and cleansing the liver. Burdock is a powerful blood purifier that helps cleanse toxins from the blood and liver. Cancer treatment. It has been used as a supportive treatment for breast, colon, and pancreatic cancers due to its potential anti-mutagenic properties and its ability to induce apoptosis, death, in cancer cells. Blood disorders. The high iron content in burdock makes it useful in treating anemia. Skin diseases. Burdock is used topically and internally to manage skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, acne, impetigo, ringworm, boils, insect bites, burns, and bruises due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Diabetes. The inulin content in burdock helps in managing blood sugar levels. Immune system booster. It enhances the immune system by increasing circulation to the skin and by being rich in antioxidants. Kidney health. Stimulates the kidneys and helps relieve fluid retention. Joint health. Burdock is used to soothe osteoarthritis and degenerative joint disease. Respiratory health. Soothes sore throats and tonsillitis, usually consumed as tea. How to harvest. Burdock root is best harvested in its first year of growth in the late fall. The roots should be dug up, cleaned, and can be used fresh or dried for later use. Leaves and seeds are collected in the second year of growth. Cautions. While burdock is generally safe for most people, it is important to source the plant correctly to avoid confusion with toxic lookalikes, such as belladonna. Those with allergies to chrysanthemums, daisies, or ragweed should approach burdock cautiously. It should also be used under supervision in pregnant or nursing women and those with chronic diseases. Burdock's wide-ranging applications in both the culinary and medicinal realms make it a valuable plant in holistic health practices. With its potent therapeutic properties, especially for the liver and skin, burdock stands as a testament to the power of nature in supporting bodily functions and treating various health conditions. As always, consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment regimen.